Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 29th, 2022. We are going to talk about plug power today. Is this market going to continue to go parabolic? Because you guys can see that just on yesterday's trading day, the market in plug power closed up 26%. Fantastic, right? I'm here to show you all how to prepare and forecast where prices are anticipated to go so that we all can be in position and win. Now, in this particular situation, what you're looking at right now is me getting my price prediction wrong. I'm here to also give you the truth and be transparent with everyone that you don't get every price prediction correct. I'm going to talk about that, and then I'm going to talk about whether or not plug power is going to continue to move higher. So welcome to my channel. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe, tap that bell notification as well if you want to stay in tune with the market moves that I am predicting. It's just that easy. Now, first of all, I'll keep it real. I keep it 100. If I see that market is going to go down, I predict that. If I think the price is going to go up, I'll predict that as well. I am unbiased. I don't care what direction the market goes as long as we can profit from it. I did not get that on the last go around though. You guys can see that I did a video on plug power on July the 16th, 2022. I was looking for the price in plug power to go down, and obviously the market went opposite, right? After I did the video, the market here in plug power came through and kept price from going down. Now, on this particular day, we should have been paying attention to the volume. If you guys have been a day one follower of mine, I always tell you, pay attention to the volume because the volume tells you who is coming into the market. When you see this much volume, that means a big player is coming in. Whether it's Cathie Woods, whether it's Warren Buffett, whether it's Citadel, whether it's Ray Dalio's Bridgewater Associate, whether it's another conglomerate, somebody came into the market in plug power on the day that I did my video, right? You can see it because after this particular day, July the 16th or July the 15th, the market in plug power was very relentless into not letting price fall back down. Now, I didn't get this right. So after this particular day, you guys can see how the market in plug power was giving us clues, right? I say that because right here, you guys can see on the 18th of July, the market in plug power indicated that there was some selling coming into the market, right? You can see it because the price closed off of the highs. But the following day, the 19th of July, the market still moved up. That means that from July the 18th to the 19th, whoever sold their plug power stock in the market, it was bought up by the buyers because they knew that price in plug power was going to be all the way up here. They knew that the market was going to break out. Somebody somewhere knew that plug power was going to move up. Somebody somewhere. And basically off of this price action that we saw on the 18th and the 19th of July, even on the 20th, it tells us that they were prepared. They predicted, they expected the price in plug power to go up 26%. Now, I didn't get this right. I didn't. And we would have lost on this particular price prediction. Yes. If you were to get out on the close of the trade yesterday, we'll be down 30, almost 40%. I get it. These things happen. But the dynamics has changed though. And let me tell you why. Because it took this much volume, okay? Let's get back to this volume. It took this much volume in plug power for the market to break this overall downtrend. We've been in a downtrend into the market in plug power ever since November of last year, 2021. The market in plug power has been in a massive downtrend. Now, recently, we've seen the market just trade sideways. Now we broke out of the downtrend line, so the dynamics has changed. We need to get out the way because this tells us that the overall momentum has shifted from plug power being in a downtrend to at best the market just consolidated and trading range bound for a while with the expectation that price is going to continue to move up. So we need to come in and talk about this. Let's get rid of this. It would have been a 40% loss on that one, but that's cool. We always get back in position and win in the market. Now we need to focus in on this because obviously the market wants to move up in plug power. Okay, let's talk about this. Can you see where the new basis of support is going to be now? In order for us to maintain the bullishness into the market in Plug Power, can you see this? I'm going to bring this horizontal line right here and show you where it is. Okay. Because this is the new area of support. I like this area too for support, but I'm going to give us a little cushion for us to make sure that if we do see some selling come into the market and price doesn't fall below $18.50, then we understand that the market in Plug Power is still going to trade range bound under the premise that price is still going to move up. Okay. Now, the biggest concern that I see next for the buyers in Plug Power to move price up is going to be around $23.50 to 24. That's the closest area that I'm expecting the sellers to appear in the market in Plug Power. Okay, so we're going to create this area here. We know that. So as time continues to go forward in Plug Power, our attention is going to be focused on whether or not the buyer is going to have enough momentum to break this area here. $24, because if they do, then we know that we can still expect the price in Plug Power to be a buy and that the market's going to continue to go up. Okay, that is the next hurdle. That's going to be the next test for the buyers. Now we got earnings coming up right here on August the 9th, 2022. We saw a pretty good monumental run up here. Now, if the earnings come in worse than what the market expects, then yeah, we could come back down. That's why I'm already prepared to give you $18 or $18.50 as support. Okay. So now let's look at this on the 3-day chart. Currently, the market is still strong. You guys can see that we have this breakout here. Market held support at $20. So that's also $20 is also an area of support. Fantastic. So that means, let me show you this. That means if we see the market in Plug Power get weakness and sellers come in and the market still holds $20, then it's going to be a bigger move to the upside, right? If the market in Plug Power breaks $20 and we come back down to $18, then the market is not that bullish. It's going to take the market a lot longer for it to move up. Be prepared for that. This is Plug Power on the 3-day. Now, this is pretty good right here. This current 3-day price bar. It lets us know that there's still some energy here in the tank for the buyers to try to lift price. Okay, right there. This is Plug Power on the 5-day. Again, the market in Plug Power is pretty bullish right now. And I definitely like what's going on these price charts here. Okay, look at this on the weekly. Even here on the weekly chart, the market in Plug Power looks pretty good. So the expectation is going to be for Plug Power to go up. Pretty much is what I'm telling you all. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this on the chart. And we're going to hold $18 as support, meaning if we see the market go down, we won't be scared. We won't be nervous. We understand that at least we want the buyers to come in here to keep the price from falling below 18. Okay. Now my first price target is right here around 24. All right. It might fall a little bit lower than 24, right? That's just the area. That's the vicinity that I'm looking for the buyers to run across some issues with the sellers. That's my first price target right there around 24. My second one is going to be up here towards $25.50. That's around $18.50. My third price target, which may take a while, it's going to be up there around like $28. Okay, then bring it down just a little bit though. That's it right there. Okay, now 24, $25.50. Okay, and then $28. You guys can see it right here. Now, we saw a pretty good move yesterday, so don't be surprised if the market in Plug Power begins to dip, begins to go down. We got $20, even $18 that we need to see market hold support. Price cannot fall below these two price levels, because if it does, then we'll need to cut the play again, just like we did on this last one. Okay, so that's it. Give me your idea about Plug Power. Let me know where do you think the price is going to go. Do you think the price is still a buy? Do you think the market is still going to go up? What is your price prediction? I've shown you mine. I even talked about it. So now I want to know what is yours. All right. So give me a heads up. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.